Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a great way to keep your jewelry organized on the go, then this little jewelry organizer from S.Leaf is perfect. This is the perfect size jewelry box for a nice weekend away, or if you're keeping things simple on your vacation. It is a really nice hard case with this beautiful purple velvet. I love the gold zipper and the little gold embossed detailing on the front. I think it is just so cute. And I love how on the inside there are two different compartments. In the top, there are 3 holders that are adjustable for your bracelets or your necklaces, and a great little elastic pouch that you can tuck them in there or tuck any little extra bits on the inside there. And then it has this great little flap that has a mirror in it. It has 3 great little slots for your earrings to sit in. And it comes with plenty of space to put your rings in as well. I think it's just the perfect little way to keep all of your jewelry nice and safe and organized. I highly recommend this little travel jewelry box from S.Leaf. I think it is absolutely perfect, and that is my point of view.